Hello guys, welcome back to Mom's Medicine. In today's video, I'm making a hair tonic for hair growth using hibiscus, clove, and cinnamon. Hibiscus stops hair loss, prevent premature, grading, thicker hair, and add volume, treat dandruff, help with dryness and breakage. Cloves have properties that can help stimulate blood flow in the scalp, which may promote hair follicle activity and encourage hair growth. Cinnamon can help prevent hair loss. It also contains antioxidants and antimicrobial properties, and even polyphenols, which act as natural antioxidants and help with hair growth. You can use this hair tonic every day. For best results, do not rinse.